Welcome to Date Night with Michelle and Doug. On the menu tonight, we are making orange chicken. So I really like takeout. It's not the best for you, so we're gonna do a healthier take tonight. We're going to pan-sear chicken and make our own orange glaze. And we'll top it off with sesame seeds and scallions. And on the side, we'll make a brown rice fried rice. This is my preferred way to eat brown rice. You get all the veggies in there. You don't really taste that it's like brown rice. So babe, what's actually good about this dish?
Well, there's a lot of great things about this dish. This is a common comfort food, and shout out to my sister Monica, who's like, you should do a fried rice on your channel. So Monica, here you go. We're using very, very natural ingredients. We're using fresh oranges. We know that oranges are a great source of vitamin C, but also a great source of potassium. We're also using sesame seeds and sesame oil. Sesame seeds are a great source of copper, and copper actually helps with the formation of your white blood cells, so your fighter cells. And of course, we're using scallions. We're gonna put them all on top. Scallions have a great source of fiber and a great source of vitamin K. We spoke about vitamin K in helping absorbing calcium and also in blood clotting formation. So there's great benefits. I know it doesn't sound like it's typically healthy because it's takeout, but it's our version of takeout. So you guys are gonna enjoy it. I think we need to make it right now.
We gotta make it right now.
We gotta make it right now.
Let's get cooking. We'll start by cubing up our chicken breasts. We have 3 chicken breasts laid out here, and we'll cut it as best as we can without cutting off our fingers. Then we'll hit it with salt and pepper to your taste and get it ready for searing. We'll turn on our stovetop, hit our pan with olive oil, and we'll sear our chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. The goal is to get it golden brown.
So now we're gonna start with our orange glaze. We're gonna start with our orange juice, orange zest, honey, sesame oil, rice vinegar, ginger, red chili flakes, sriracha, and cornstarch. Then we're gonna whisk that all up, and all the measurements are below.
In a wok with olive oil, we'll add in our mixed veggies. Since they're frozen, we'll warm them up a little bit. Once they've thawed, we'll add in garlic and our onion. And get those flavors to marry with each other. We'll push all that to the side, add in 2 eggs, scramble them up real quick, mix it all together, and then add in our cooked brown rice, season with soy sauce to taste, and we'll mix it all together and cook on the stovetop until everything is heated.
So our chicken is cooked, and now we're gonna add in our orange glaze. We'll mix everything together nicely so you can coat every piece of the chicken. And then we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes to let the cornstarch activate so it can thicken. The kitchen smells delicious, so now let's plate. We're gonna start with our fried rice. Then we'll add our chicken on top, sprinkle some sesame seeds, and then finally some fresh scallions. Enjoy.
Our healthy takeout is done. I'm excited. This looks great.
Looks amazing.
It looks a lot lighter also. It doesn't look as heavy. Let's dig in. Let's do this.
Like, I just want to grab everything. Okay, wait.
It's orange chicken.
And I didn't even have a piece of chicken yet. I just had everything together with the sauce and the rice. So much orange flavor that's exploding in your mouth, but fresh orange flavor. Like, you know when it's real and it's not fake. You know you use real food to make this. It is so good, baby.
It tastes like a bite of orange with chicken. Orange chicken, hello. And it's a little spicy. Little kick in the background, but it's not overwhelming. It's really good.
The sesame seeds and the scallions are a great crunch, and they add more freshness. Oh my gosh. Very fresh.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys need to have this type of takeout, the takeout that Michelle and Doug made, okay? We hope you enjoyed our video. Stay tuned for the next one. Please subscribe to our channel And also make sure that you follow us on Instagram as well. And if you make anything that we've made, please tag us. We would love to see how it came out for you. All right, thanks guys so much. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.